Hey, good morning, guys. And today I'm making this video on the first day of the quarantine, which started today. For the next 21 days, PM has told us that we don't have to go out and we have to basically isolate ourselves at home in order to contain the coronavirus, which is like on a worldwide spree to destroy lives. So, firstly, before I start this video, I want to say one thing that I do not encourage anyone to go out right now. And whatever the content of this video is was basically an emergency, and it was basically for a cause that I had to go out, irrespective of everything. So, and that's the reason I made it. Otherwise, I would have never gone out because it's up to us to stop this thing. And if we do not go by the rules, और अगर हम नहीं घर पे बैठे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा स्प्रेड हो सकता है. और जिस हिसाब से ये स्प्रेड हुआ है दूसरी कंट्रीज़ में, जैसे इटली हो गया, चाइना हो गया, या करंटली यूएस में हो रहा है, या ईरान हो गया, उतनी फैसिलिटीज़ हमारे पास अभी फ़िलहाल नहीं मौजूद है. ओके, सो वापस बोल रहा हूँ कि ये मैं आई डोंट एनकरेज, या मैं किसी को ये नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बाहर जाए और घूमे फिरे. ओके, घर पे रहे. जैसे मोदी जी ने कहा 21 दिन तक isolate yourself, quarantine yourself and stay home. And so let's begin this. So the main reason that I have to go out, it's currently 5 o'clock and I have basically going to get my brother. He's been flying currently now at Dhule, and since the lockdown, the flying has stopped as per government request or government's order, you can say. And for that reason, I'm to go and pick him. Now, the main concern is that you're not allowed to cross district borders, but like I've spoken to a few people and I hope that I can get through. The only main reason that I am going out right now is to get him and a few other students along with him, because even out there, the essentials are very scarce. Shops are not opening. There are no people on the streets. There is very minimal food to eat in the hostels. So that's the main reason that I have to go and get him up before it gets a bit worsened up. So that's what this whole video will be about. I'll be talking about how outside the amount of traffic or how people are behaving as I go through. It's around 330 kilometers one-way drive. So I'll be driving alone. I'll be accompanied by my mother. And that's about it. So let's get going. So hey guys, back on the vlog, and we have just left home. As I told you that it's like a small mini rescue mission that we're gonna do. And the main motive here is to get a few students back, and we've also taken some utilities for them so that they don't have to go out a lot. And that's the plan out here today. The roads are like really empty. I haven't seen any private vehicles as of now. There are only a few big vehicles and ambulances which are there. Otherwise it's all empty. I can show it to you. Mom, can you turn? Yeah, so I'm accompanied with my mom. She's not in the frame right now. She should will be though. So it's dark out here. I'll show you the roads once it's a bit lit up, and it's currently 5:45. We've left now, and hopefully in another 6 hours I should be back there in Dhule. So I'll keep you posted. असं वर्क होगा, ठीक आहे. रोड दिसत are absolutely empty, and you can see the roads as well. There's not one single vehicle that you can see of. Yeah, that's the current condition. It's in a way good that people are actually following the thing. As I told you that I do not encourage you to go out. This is an emergency, and that's the only reason that I have to travel down to Dhule. So I'll keep you posted with respect to if I encounter anything. Mostly I have taken clearances from people so that we do not face any issues or during crossing borders and all, as the government has strictly told that no one's allowed to even cross a particular district for that matter. So बस देखते हैं and we'll go ahead. As guys, you can see that there's no one single vehicle on the road, and it's so isolated. I can actually do a rally out here. So we are estimating to reach Dhule in another 4 hours time because of the empty roads, and I'm not gonna stop anywhere to eat or something. Again, it's not safe. I've carried my own food. Mom has made food for me. So she's my cameraman for the day, and so we'll continue on the route now without any stops, and mostly we will just stop just to widen our legs and stuff. So yeah. So guess what? Mom has got coffee. She's pouring coffee into the cup for me. Yeah, because we left early as I told you, and ज़्यादा कुछ खाया, in fact कुछ भी नहीं खाया था सुबह. So okay, I'll have to shut off now because I'm gonna drive slow and have my coffee. So see you guys in a while. So guys, one more thing, as you can see, यहाँ पे तो टोल पे भी कोई नहीं है. पूरे टोल खाली है. ओके वाह, गलत लेन से आ गया. एब्सोल्युटली नो वन, एक बंदा नहीं है पूरे टोल पे. आई नेवर थॉट कि ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा एटलीस्ट इस सेंचुरी में, बट ऑल थैंक्स टू चाइना. एक दुकान चालू नहीं, एक होटल चालू नहीं, तो करके कुछ पी भी नहीं सकते. That was the record time that I ever drove to Dhule. The roads were empty as anything, and we're almost, like, we are in Dhule. Should reach the airport in like 5 minutes time, just like 3 or 4 kilometers from here, and even here the people are maintaining absolute distancing. There's no one on the streets. Airport now, and then we'll get back with my brother and then a few students. I have some packages got for all the other students because most of the shops here are closed, as you can see. So see you there. So a lot of memories here. I've been here for almost 2 years of my life. when I was doing my flying training, and I used to stay somewhere inside here. And you can see as everything shut down, like literally everything. So that's a problem. That even if we want to, we are not able to buy stuff here because nothing's open. Even if it opens, the stock is very limited. So there we are on the final road of Pune. This is the last road that leads to the airport. It's like absolutely deserted at night. There are no lights, nothing. So there we are, guys. Finally reached, and that is my Chaman bhai.
येऊ
मला
मला नाही
बॉयज हॉस्टेल
लेडीजला नाही
नाही नॉट अलाउड बाय so there we are, and the hostel, the floor is still under construction. This is all the material that we got from Mumbai. Let's not talk about that. So we reached in a record time of approximately 3 hours 20 minutes, I guess, from Mumbai to Dhule. That's 330 kilometers. So be there in a while. Yeah, that's my fucking asshole brother's room. That's his bloody stupid room there.
That's his side.
Yeah, how clean he keeps it. Only if you guys had seen my room, you would have understood. Oh god, how do you stay here? कसा राहतो? किती घाणेरड आहे हे.
आता काढलं मी ते.
इतकं घाण.
आता काढलं मी ते.
काय काढलं?
हे.
शी. सगळं घे तुझं. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. So there we go. So the one that you can see behind me, that's the second hostel. The first one is this one, and as I said, it's still under construction. The rooms are fine, but the outer thing is yet to be done. So we're just heading back to the car. I'll meet the CFI over here, and then mostly we'll head back home soon so that we can reach on time, and that we don't get a lot of checkposts on the way back. So just be there. अमृगांग कैसा लग रहा है हॉस्टेज सिचुएशन से रेस्क्यू होने के लिए? So the rescue mission is done, guys, and ये हमने रेस्क्यू कर लिया अमृगांग और उसके दोस्तों को. अब इसको क्वारंटाइन में डालेंगे, जेल में. और धुले में कैसा लग रहा था अमृगांग? ग्रुप में बैठ के बिना वाईफाई के, बिना इंटरनेट के, जेल वाली फीलिंग आई सिद्धार्थ के साथ. So guys, so we're done here. Now we're just leaving back, and hope that so while coming we didn't face any issues as of because we left early. Hope that it stays here. There were quite a few checkposts on the way here, so but they were unmanned. I hope that right now they are too, and let's hope for a safe journey back. We reached in like a record 3 hours time, and I'm expecting the same to reach back home. My baby brother vomiting because
हे पाठचे काढतो पाठी
because I'm too fast for him. Rugan, do you want me to go slow?
हे घे मृगांग घे इकडे घे हे घे.
काय झालं?
आरामशीर चालव ना जरा.
काय होतंय तुला?
पाठी 4 लोक बसलेत.
आता मालेगावला पोहोचलं की समजणार ना.
A few moments later.
That's the third stop because of this guy. time I would have reached Mumbai. Still 74 kilometers to go. Oh god. Record camera? So guys, finally we are here. We're almost home, like 2 minutes away. And we had a few checkposts on the way. And I would recommend all of you not to get out of the house. And as I told you earlier, that this was an emergency. Otherwise, there was no reason for me to go out. And that's what I would tell all the viewers to follow as well. I still see people on the road and all. You guys just take care, stay safe. And I had to change my recording device because my GoPro went off, the battery was dead. So I'll just be reaching home and we'll end the vlog out here. So again, stay safe and take care and see you guys. Bye bye.